what you are going to learn? You are going to learn about the water animals. Which are the water animals? Water animals are called as aquatic animals. Then we are going to learn which are floating and which are sinking. The two worksheet today's class we are going to learn. So let's continue it. Worksheet 3. Let's solve this word puzzle. Here some spelling are given in the box and pictures are below. You have to identify the pictures below and the spellings above from the box. First one is fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Here you can see the spelling fish. It is in the second row. And next one is the duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. It's in the sixth column. It is in the sixth column. See the third picture, children. What is that? It's a frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Where you can see that frog in the second column. Okay. Repeat the spelling frog. F-R-O-G. Their next one, snail. Already given. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. After that, what you can see? It's a tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Tortoise. Where you can see it's in the last row. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Tortoise. Repeat the spelling of tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Next, what's the last picture? Yes, it's a crocodile. Where you can see that spelling? Yes, it's in the first row. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. Say, repeat it again, children. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. Now tell me, children, where you can find these animals? Yes, some animals live only in water and some are land and water like crocodile, duck, tortoise, frog and snail. Now let's learn some aquatic animals. Aquatic animal means the animals living in water are called aquatic animals like fish, starfish, octopus, jellyfish, seahorse, shark, dolphin, sea turtle, lobster, blue whale, crab, shrimp. See the next one. Worksheet 4. Let's discuss and write which of the following items float on water. Do you know how we can check it? Let's do some experiment. Take a bowl of water. Collect the items around the house. You make a guess, sink or float. Drop it in. See. Yes, the plastic is floating. Cork, cherry tomato, pom-pom, stick, crayons, paperclip, pasta, toy person, plastic ball, toy car, leaf, dinosaur, potato, lemon. See, which are sinking and which are floating. Now you got it right? Let's do the next experiment. Metal or plastic? Which is sinking, which is floating? See the small rock and the big rock. Both are sinking. Now you came to know floating means it stay on the water and sinking means it down into the water. Some more example I'm going to show you. Float or sink. See the toy duck, it's a floating. boat floating, and the log stick, it's a floating, and the ball is also floating. See there below, what are the things you can see there down? Yes, stone, key, screw, and the cement blocks. These are sinking inside the water. So now you came to know about float or sink. Can you write this, children? See the first one, paper. It's a floating. Ruler, wooden ruler, scale. It's a floating. And the thermocol, thermocol, it's also floating. And rubber band floats. Chalk sink into water. Toothbrush, some toothbrush will sink. Pencil cutter, yes, it's a sharpener. It's got a small steel part, so it's also sinks. Knife, yes, it also sinks. Nail, it's the iron, so it also sink. Stone, it's sink. Key, sink. So you came to know which are sinking and which are floating. So you have to do the experiment at home.